Now, this is a problem. Let F defined from the set having elements 1, 3, 4 to the another set having element 1, 2, 5, and G defined from the set having element 1, 2, 5 to the set having element 1, 3 be given by F is given in order pair 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 1, and G is given by 1, 3, 2, 3, 5, 1, and write the results of GOF and FOG. First of all, we write the elements of GOF. If you write GOF, they start with the function f. F defined from this set to this set. This one is this one, and this one is this one. And G defined from this to this. Element 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5 to 1, 3. Now, as we have in function, 1 is connected to 2, 1 connected to 2, and 2 is related to 3 in G function. 2 is related to 3. So we can say 1 is related to 3 in composite function. Similarly, 3 related to 5 and 5 related to 1. So finally 3 is related to 1, and 4 related to 1 and 1 related to 3. So 4 is related to 3. So finally we got GOF equal to 1, 3, 3, 1, 4, 3. For FOG function, we start with G, then to F. The G function is defined from 1, 3, 5 to 1, 3. So 1, 3, 5 to 1, 3. And F defined from 1, 3, 4. The 4 is taken extra here to 1, 2, 5. This is 1, 2, 5. And in the same way, from G function, 1 is related to 3, and 3 in F function 3 related to 5. So in composite function FOG, 1 is related to 5. Similarly, 2 related to 3 and 3 related to 5. So therefore 2, 5. 5 related to 1 and 1 related to 2. So 5, 2 in FOG function. So these are the elements of FOG. So this is GOF and FOG. Here the sets are given in roster form. Now next question is, let F defined from R to R means real to real by the rule fx equal to 8x cube, and G is also defined from R to R, that is real to real, with the rule gx equal to x to the power 1 by 3, and we have to find GOF function and FOG function, and to check whether GOF and FOG are same. Okay. GOFX is given by GFX. So GFX is 8x cube. We have given fx is 8x cube. And G function is given by x to the power 1 by 3. So on behalf of x it is 8x cube. So 8x cube to the power 1 by 3. This will be resulted to cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of x cube is x. So finally GOF x equal to 2x. And similarly FOG, we have to find FOG also. So FOGX equal to FGX. And the GX is given as x to the power 1 by 3. See the G function, x to the power 1 by 3. And now F of this one, the F function is 8x cube. So 8 into, on behalf of x, it is x to the power 1 by 3 and taking its cube. So cube root of cube of cube root x is x itself, and 8 is as it is. So FOG x equal to 8x. This is the result of GOF equal to 2x and FOG x equal to 8x. Finally, we see that GOF and FOG are not same. This is 2x, this is 8x. So they are not same. Therefore, GOF is not equal to FOG. Now we come to inversible function. We already have given you the idea how to find the inverse of function. If a function is 1, 1 on 2, or we can say bisective, a function is inversible. And this is another method. This is with the help of composite function. We have to show the function is inversible. How the function is inversible? With the help of inversible function. Let f is defined from a to b and g defined from b to a be two functions. Then for all x belongs to a, there exists a unique element y belongs to b. Y, that is fx, belongs to b. And for all y belongs to b, that is y is fx. So fx belongs to b, there exists a unique element x belongs to a. So you can say g fx belongs to a. What is x? X is g fx belongs to a. So finally we say GOF. The composite function GOF is defined from a to a by the rule g fx equal to x. It has been displayed in the figure also. F is defined from a to b, as we have explained, and g is defined from b to a. So elements of, therefore the image of x is y and that of y is x, but this y is fx because it is under the function f, and the image of y or fx is x, but this x is under the function g, so it is gy, and y is fx, so g fx. So therefore GOFX equal to x, and since x is the element of set A, therefore it is identity function on A. So we got GOFX equal to identity function on A, and similarly FOG y equal to y, and y is the element of B, so this is identity function on B. So whenever we have GOF equal to IA, identity function on A, and FOGY equal to IB, identity function on B, then G and F are inverse of each other, and it is written as G equal to F inverse. This happens as G is inverse of F function. So therefore we can say FO on behalf of G, F inverse is taken. So therefore FO, F inverse equal to IB, and F inverse OF equal to IA.